Hey guys, what's going on? It's Dr. Ambitious right here. Thank you guys for joining me in this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do so. You're gonna get a lot of interesting videos regarding prop trading and trading the forex market in general. So in this video, I want to share with you guys how you can possibly make $40,000 a month trading for just four proprietary companies, assuming you are able to make 5% return every single month, just 5% return. So we're gonna start from the top here. Over here, as you can see, I've listed four trading companies, four prop trading companies over here, and they don't have to be this prop firm specifically. There are many of proprietary companies out there, so you can choose one as you see fit if you really wanna try this method out. Some prop tradings that are actually good that I did not include in this list is Trader Central Fund. I think my forex fund is also good, and there are many other proprietary firms out there. So far from me, if I'm gonna do this, these are the four companies that I'm gonna choose, and before the end of the year, this is actually what I'm likely going to do. I will be looking to get a $1.2 million asset under management for these four proprietary companies. Hopefully everything works well. So let's take it from the top. We have ftmo and Void funding talent and proprietary and the prop trading. So let's say you have $300,000 AUM. AUM is asset under management. Let's say you're managing $300,000 for each company. Actually, enfold allows up to $700,000, but we're not really going, for that. We just wanna keep everything very easy and not complicate things. So let's say we have $300,000 for all of them, and for funding talent, prop trading, and FTMO. And at the end of every month, you are able to make 5% for FTMO. 5% of 300,000 is $15,000. So for all of them, you're able to make 5%, which gives you a total of $15,000. And FTMO pays you 70% of whatever profit you make. So for FTMO, you get to walk home at the end of the month with $10,500. And for Enfold, they pay 50% profit. And for enfold, you get to walk home with $7,500. And for funding talent, they pay you 80% of whatever profit you make. Actually, they do this by weekly. So every 2 weeks, you're going on with some profit. So let's say at the end of the month, you are able to make 5% in general, and you get to walk home with $12,000, which is 80% of the profit. And the prop trading, likewise, they also pay out 80%, and for them you also get to walk home with $12,000, and in total you get to walk home with $42,000 payout if you decide to do something similar to this. And there are chances you're gonna make more than 5% in a month, but let's just be conservative with your calculations. So let's say you take three trades. Let's say you take 3 to 5 trades a month. There's a really good chance of you making 5% in a month if you're not really trading too much and you're only sticking to your rules. But oftentimes, as day traders, we overtrade. We trade when we shouldn't really be trading, and that really that affects our ROI for that specific month. So if you really want to look at the big picture and you are only in the market when you need to be in the market, and you're not trading when you're not supposed to be trading, I believe this is possible. In fact, I am definitely, I have this already in my agenda. So starting around June, July, I'm gonna go for $300,000 for each of this prop firm, just to try this method out. And if it works out for me, I'm definitely gonna be giving you guys an update and show you guys the video once I'm able to get this payout by making at least 5% ROI every single month for this company. This making this every month is a life changer, guys. If you are able to make $42,000 in a single month, that's a lot of money. An average household income makes this, like, in 1 year. So if you're able to make this in a month as a trader, is really good, and it can actually propel you to where you want to be as a trader. Let's say you do this for 1 year. After doing this for 1 year, you really don't have to do it anymore. You can just stop trading for this company and focus on your own trading account, or maybe you want to start be a fund manager, you want to reach out to accredited investors, you can start looking to manage $1 million, $5 million, because this right here can build your portfolio if you do it correctly. You can build your portfolio doing this, and let's say you do this for a year. After 1 year, if any investor sees this, they'll be more than likely to just throw their money at you to trade for them. So this is a very conservative calculation. 5% is not much. If you target 5% every single month, there's a very high chance of you eating your profit target, then you targeting 50% a month, which is very, very likely you might even end that month with a drawdown because you have such a high expectation. And if you make 5% after 2 weeks, you start to maybe trade over leverage because you are far from your profit. Meanwhile, an average trader, an average profitable trader, they're usually making 10%, 5% a month, because they're smart. They know that it is possible to actually make a lot of money. It's possible to do 100% in a month, but it is not really likely, because when you do that, you can get lucky and do it in your first month, but the chances of you doing that consistently is very, very slim. And if that is your target, it can really affect your trading because you're shooting too high. So this is just what I'm able to put together for you guys. Hopefully, it makes sense to you and changes your mind in regards to having too high monthly ROI, and just having a very conservative one. And something important I also want to share is that you don't have to do this at once. You don't have to take all these challenges at once. You can focus on FTMO first, get that $300,000 account going, and then make your first withdrawal. And after that, use some of the money to get your enfold account. And after successfully passing enfold and getting funded for enfold, you can then move on to the next one, and then the next one. And it doesn't have to be 4 companies. You can trade for 10 proprietary companies. You can choose two of your choice. It doesn't really matter. The whole point here is just finding an AUM that you're comfortable working with, that will give you the right amount of profit you can survive with every single month and be financially free. That's the whole purpose of this video, guys. And this is just an illustration. Hopefully it hopefully helps you guys out, and I wish you guys the best. This is just what I think, is just an opinion. So this is not a financial advice in any form. Before you make any financial decisions, you must take into consideration your risk appetite before you risk any of your money. This is just for educational purposes only and for informational purpose. And hopefully you are able to learn one or two things, and you can make a decision that will better your trading career, and hopefully you are able to achieve financial freedom. I wish you guys the best. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, and I will make more videos like this. Like this video as well for the YouTube algorithm. You have any questions, you can reach me directly on Telegram, or you can leave a comment down below. I will make sure to reply your comment. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.